Hey foodies! Ready to turn your humble kitchen into a 5-star restaurant? Today, I'm going to show you how to bring gourmet and fine dining right into your home. First up, let's talk appetizers. Picture this, crispy bruschetta with a luscious tomato basil topping. Start by toasting some baguette slices until they're golden and crunchy. Rub them with a clove of garlic for that extra kick. Then, top with a fresh mix of diced tomatoes, basil, a drizzle of olive oil, and a sprinkle of salt. Simple, yet utterly divine. Now, onto the main course. How about a perfectly seared filet mignon? Don't be intimidated, it's easier than you think. Season your steak generously with salt and pepper. In a hot skillet, sear it on each side for about 2-3 minutes until you've got a beautiful crust. Then pop it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes for that perfect medium rare. Let it rest, and you'll have a steak that'll make any chef proud. But wait, we need a side dish. Let's whip up some creamy truffle mashed potatoes. Boil some Yukon Gold potatoes until they're fork tender. Mash them with butter, cream, and a touch of truffle oil. Finish with a sprinkle of chives. Trust me, this will elevate your meal to new heights. And what's a fine dining experience without a decadent dessert? Let's make a classic chocolate fondant. Melt some high-quality dark chocolate with butter. In another bowl, whisk eggs and sugar until pale and fluffy. Gently fold in the chocolate mixture, then add a bit of flour. Pour into ramekins and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. The result? A cake with a gooey molten center. And there you have it. A full-course meal that'll make you feel like you're dining in a Michelin-star restaurant. Remember, it's all about quality ingredients and a bit of love. So go ahead, impress your friends, or treat yourself to a night of gourmet bliss. If you like these tips, hit that like button and subscribe for more foodie inspiration. Happy cooking!